Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change power zoom lens function setting on your FUJIFILM X-M5. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the menu button, and of course we're gonna go over into the setup by clicking back. Now here we can select the settings, and we're gonna scroll down to button and dial settings. Now we're gonna go to the power zoom lens function setting. We're gonna swipe right, and here we can change it. So the first one, instead of having the zoom and focus control ring, we can set, set the constant speed zoom right here. We can also select instead of the Tele one, we're gonna select the, let's say, wide one, and here we're gonna select, let me quickly go back, and here let's select the F-Log View Assist. So as you guys can see, that's how you guys can easily change those power zoom lens function settings. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.